Hi all, I'm Dr. J.Senthamarai, Associate Professor, Head Department of Hindi, Seethalakshmi Ramaswamy College. In today's video, we are going to learn Agyat Kriya. In English, we say it as imperative verb or imperative mode. For Agyat Kriya, we will see the definition. In Hindi, the definition is जिस वाक्य से आज्ञा, आदेश, निवेदन तथा निर्देश का बोध होता है उसे आज्ञात क्रिया कहते हैं. In English, these imperative sentences are used mostly for order, request, advice and instruction purposes. In Hindi, when we want to use the आज्ञात क्रिया usages, two usage are mainly used. One is तुम and another one is aap, and usually the tu usage we can avoid, and because this is used for the person who is very close to who us we use, so mostly avoid this usage. You can use for tum, and this tum is in English for an elder one or a younger one we use only you come, you go. If he is an elder person or a younger person, the usage will be same, but in all the Indian languages, if we see, when the person is younger to us, the usage will change, and the person who is an elder to us, the usage will be changed. For example, in Tamil we say when the person is younger, we'll say ni va, ni po, we say. The same way in Hindi also, and in respect we will say ninga vanga, ninga ponga. The same way in Hindi, tum is used for the person who is younger to us, and aap is used for elder person and for the person whom we want to give respect. Now we'll see Agyat Kriya usage, where all Agyat Kriyas are used, and the basic, the informal usage. When we are using an informal sentence, we will say yaha aa, yaha ja, we can use, and for sometimes for the person who is very close to us, then we will say tum ghar jao. This is a common word, and very politely, if we want to say, we will say kripya. And instead of, if you feel this word kripya is very tough to you, or you may forget, you can say aap also. So respect usage. Say, like in English we say please come here. For the please only we are using the word kripya, and instead of kripya you can say aap also. Aap yahan aiye, aap yahan baithiye. Then for the informal usages like apne joote pehno, this we are giving some order like that. Or formal requests, you say darwaja band karo, close the door. Instruction you are giving, you want to say, it can be any way. So like baal kangi kar lo, please comb your hair, like that. Now we will see the Agyat Kriya rules. How in Hindi we are using Agyat Kriya. It's a very easy rule only. There are only two rules. Mostly we see in Hindi the verb will be consonant ending, and sometimes it will be vowel ending. So we will see vowel ending rules. So mostly the verb we are using, we call it as the root dhatu. Dhatu we say. In English we say it as a root verb. So what we have to do, whatever the root verb we are going to use, if the root verb is ending with a, u and a vowel sound, we are going to add o to that root verb. See, in example I have explained, a means in Hindi come. So a plus o will become aho. So here what happens, the verb and the vowel will conjugate. They will just join together. There's no rule, just they connect each other. Like, see, javo means go, ga plus o, gao, like that you can make. It's a very easy rule. The next rule is next rule is the respect rule. In respect rule, what we will do, same only. If the root verb ends with a, u and a, what we have to do with the root verb, we are going to add ea usage. Like in Tamil we say vanga, va vanga, po ponga. So the ga is used. Same way in Hindi we use ea is used for the respect purpose. So the rule is a plus ea, we will say aye, ja plus ea, jaye, ga plus ea, gaye. So if a person is younger to us, where we don't want to give any respect or casual talk, we'll say avo, and in respect we will say aye. Javo, jaye. Gavo, gaye. Next rule, we are seeing the third rule is now we are seeing the previous rule number 1 and rule number 2. We saw the root verb was ending with vowel sounds, and now we are going to get consonant ending root verb. Very important. Now we are going to discuss consonant ending root verb. So if the root verb ends with a sound, so most of in Hindi what happens, mostly like 95 to 98%, the Hindi verb will end with a sound only. Only few words there, hardly there will be a 10 or 12 words which will end with the o, a sound. We will discuss that also. So if the word is, if the root verb ending with a sound, so what will happen? So the read. So for example, we'll say pad. So pad means read. So see, the pad is a ending sound. So what we will do with pad, we will add o. So what happens? So with the d, see d is a consonant and o is a vowel. So what we will do, the d and o will conjugate. That's why see I have shown in the example, d plus o, it will become do. So pad plus o, it will become pado. Same example, one more example, lick plus o. So kha plus o. So this is a consonant and this is a vowel ending. So kha plus o will conjugate and a kho will form, and in Hindi it will become kho, likho, pado, likho, like that it will come. And the rule 4 is respect word, consonant ending root verb. Again, we will see if the root verb is ending with a sound, and in respect we have to do. So EA we are going to add. The same way, the example, in respect form, what is the rule? So pad plus EA. So usually E symbol is from the front, we have to just do a bending. So that only I showed here. So pad plus EA. So D and E will conjugate. So it will become D. So what? How we will say? Per DA, per DA. Same an example, lick plus EA. So lick will be the same word with the k. With the second letter, we are going to conjugate k plus E. K plus E will make it ki and A is do. So likhiye. So in the previous rule we saw, it is what pad plus o. So pado. The same way the respect form is padiye. Likho, the respect form is likhiye. We'll see the next rule. So here I have given you, so a table is given and we will just see how we have changed. See, for example, the word is kha, so it will become khavo. So like if in English it will come eat only, for both the verb will be eat only. But in Hindi, but in Tamil we'll say saapdu, saapdunga, va, vanga, the same usage only. So kha, it will come khavo. See, a root verb plus o, khavo, root plus khaye. La plus o, lavo. La plus ye, laye. Bol means tell, bolo, bol. So bol plus o, bolo. Bol plus ye, bolye. Dekh plus o, dekho. Dekh plus ye, dekhiye. Dekh means see. Khareed. So khareed plus o, kharido. Wang. Kharidiye. Khareed plus ye, kharidiye. Pooch means ask. So pooch plus o, poocho. Pooch plus ye is poochiye. Kaat. Kaat plus o, kaato. Kaat plus ye, kaatiye. Beige. Spell the word beige because there are two words. One is beige and another is beige. The pronunciation, just please be careful when you are using this word. This is b. Here the sound should be for cell. The word should be ba, b. So beige plus o, becho, and in respect it will come bechiye. The next word is send. So bhej. So this is how this word is called b. This will come, the spelling will be in English, if you want to say it will come b. B sound will come, and this is bha, bhej. We have to stress in that letter. So bhej. This is bhej. This is bhej, bhej. So bhej plus o, bhejo, bhejiye. Utha, utha is to lift. Uthao. Then in respect it will come uthaiye. So like this we can make all the same rule only in 2-3 there's exceptional, that also we will discuss in the next slide. Now we'll see some of the very exceptional rules in Hindi. These are 4 important, very important words. This you have to by heart. This is the exceptional words. Okay, you don't follow you should not ask me why here the word is coming kijiye, dijiye, because this is the Panini rule here. Okay, so kar. So in kar, what will happen? In o, there is no change. So kar plus o, karo will come. And kar plus ea, this is an exceptional. So don't say most of the time, even when we go to north side and somewhere we see, the people will say kariye, like it's very common nowadays, but the correct usage is kijiye. You should see the spelling kijiye. Like they, so in the o form it will become, they will become do, and in the respect form it will become dijiye. Le will become lo, lijiye. P means drink, it will become po. Spell the word po and pga. So these are the exceptional words which you have to learn or you have to by heart it. And now we'll see the negative words. If nakaratmak agyatva or the negative imperative words. See, in Hindi, what will happen if you want to say a negative? There are three ways to say. Sometimes we say na, nahi, and mat we are using. But if a sentence is an imperative sentences and ordering sentences, or you are giving some instructions, we are supposed to use only the usage of mat. Mat. So for example, so see the basic negative command you want to say yahan mat jao. So don't say yahan na jao. People say for mat there is also the synonymous na and nahi. So whenever you are giving some advice or instruction, you should be very careful. You have to use mat only. In English, for everywhere we will say don't drink water, don't go there, like that. But in Hindi, this mat will come only when you want to say an instruction or advice you are giving. That time you are going to say mat, otherwise you will say the usage of nahi. So that is the basic negative command. If you want to say, you will say yahan mat aao. But politely, if you want to say something like kripya mujhe pareshan mat karo. This kripya is for polite usage, and it is good also. You can say it is more requesting, and the people will like when you say the word kripya. Kripya. The next one is this negative command is shore mat machao, don't make noise. So see, you should be very important. You should see for every for don't I am using this word. And formal negative jhoot mat bolo, instruction you are telling, nakhun mat kato. So these are some of the, so the point what I want to say is, whenever in Hindi you are telling a negative sentence or nakaratmak sentence, so you are supposed to use mat. So, mat, advice. In the next slide, I have given some exercise I have given. So I hope you would have understood the rules. What are the rules I have taught? And based on that, see, I have just given this see, bhag, bite, kha, ga, kaat, chad. I have given some 6 word verb I have given, and we call this as root verb. In Hindi, we say it as dhatu. धातु हम इसको कहते हैं. So now what you have to do, as a suppose if you have understood, I want you to make the imperative form of this. So you can try and see. So just now in the video, I'll just tell. So bhag, the imperative form is bhago, and the respect form is bhagye. Bite, the form is, the two forms are baitho, baitye. For kha, see, this is the I ending word, so it will come khao, khaiye. Again, this is I ending word, so ga, gavo. See, very careful. We should be very careful. The pronunciation here should be kh. This is k, and this is g. So here it will come, the sound will become like k, and here the sound should be like g sound should come. Okay, so mostly the people will say the kha and ga, the pronunciation are very same, the people say, but see, the slightly you have to concentrate on the letter. So this is called kha. So when I say kha, means eat. So the imperative forms are khao, khaiye, and ga is, since g sound should come, like Ganesh we say. So kha, so gavo, gaye. Kaat means to cut, kato, katiye. Climb is chadak, chado, chadi. So here I have given some more words I have given, and I expect you all to practice this word. So you have to tell me what are these words. So for this, this is something she's writing. So it will come lik. This one is chal. This one is again kaat. This one is kha. This one is has, like laughing. This one is crying. For the crying, the Hindi word is ro. And here we see this one, this person is dancing. So we'll say nach. And here he's lifting something. The Hindi word will be utha. So we have to make the imperative forms. Same way here, the person is climbing. So in Hindi, for climbing, we say chad. Then here it is in the 10th example is gira, gir. So gir. Something is called gir, and then here's the girl is singing. This is called the counting. So the counting Hindi word is gin. Counting, the Hindi word is gin. Either on the utho, and here is jumping. So kud. So in the next videos, I have given you so many sentences in the now the forthcoming week. In the slides you can see I have used many imperative sentences. Just you have to learn it. We have to learn the words. So see, jara jor se boli, in Tamil also I have given speak a bit louder. Mere saath aiye. See the usage. So this is the respect usage. Aiye, aiye, boliye. Here see, इसे वापस भेज दीजिए. So please send this. भेज, send. Here it's coming. जल्दी वापस आइए. There's a I am very sorry, there's a typing mistake. Half love should come here. So आप जल्दी वापस आइए. It's a respect. You say, suppose you want to say to a younger one, you can say आप जल्दी. So then if you are telling the same sentence to a small kid, you will say तुम जल्दी आओ. तुम जल्दी आओ. Please see, there's a mistake. मुझे माफ कीजिए. Please excuse me. So माफ करो. In to small person you are telling, you'll say माफ करो. It should come. मेरा सामान लाओ. Bring my luggage. In respect you want to say मेरा सामान लाइए. It should, this लाओ will become लाइए. Bring my luggage. So सामान means luggage. Next is give me the room key. We are asking. So मुझे कमरे की चाबी. So there's imperative form is दो. So दो in respect it will come मुझे कमरे की चाबी दीजिए. मुझे थोड़ा चावल दो. Same I'm twice because in this they word only, the root verb, we make lot of mistakes. So I've given two examples. So they, the root form is they, the imperative form is दो, the respect form is दीजिए. The same way मुझे थोड़ा और चावल. थोड़ा means little more. Okay, थोड़ा is little. चावल दीजिए. Give me some more, right? बत्ती बुझा दो. So please switch on. So दो. So they usage. जाइए. So suppose for a younger person you say आप बैठ जाइए. आप बैठ जाओ. So आप instead of आप you will put तुम. But what my request is, so whenever I teach Hindi to any student, I usually tell you learn the respect usage, that is better. Instead of telling tum usage, it is better you learn the respect usage. The people will be happy also, and it's a good gesture also. कमरे को साफ करवा दीजिए. So दीजिए. So दो can put that. उस तरफ या वहां जाओ. Go there. जाओ. Respect जाइए. Many examples I give. इसे यहाँ लाओ. Bring here. So लाओ respect form is लाइए. See जल्दी करो. Everywhere the l spelling is wrong. So जल्दी करो. जल्दी. So करो. The imperative form is कीजिए. Hurry up. रखो means keep. So रखिए. देखो. देखिए. देखो. So you have to be. If you practice, you will be very easy to tell for you. उठाइए. Hold or lift this. उठाओ. देखो. देखिए. इसे तुरंत रोक दो. Please stop this immediately. So say that for the immediately the Hindi word is तुरंत. रोक दो, the respect form is दीजिए. जरा तेज या धीरे. Go fast or so. So for fast we say तेज and for slow we say धीरे. So चलो in respect form चलिए. So how we'll say जरा तेज चलिए. जरा धीरे चलिए. Be careful in future. So in future the Hindi word is भविष्य में. So careful Hindi word is सावधान रहो. In respect रहिए. गाड़ी रोको. गाड़ी means vehicle. रोको means stop. Stop. So रोको respect you will say रोकिए. अब बोलो. बोलो means tell. Now. अब means now. So बोलो. बोलो respect form बोलिए. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen. So सुनो the respect form is सुनिए. So like this you have to practice. Both the forms you have to practice. So when the need comes, it will be easy for you to use this. इंतजार से गेट के बाहर इंतजार करो. So इंतजार is to wait. करो respect form is. So by this and so many times I have told. So you'll be knowing that. So करो imperative form is कीजिए. देर मत करो. So respect form is कीजिए. Open or shut the windows. So for window we say खिड़कियां. खोल. So खोलो या बंद कर दो. कर दीजिए. It will come. देखो. So इधर देखो ना. See here. या see there. So here we say इधर. There we'll say उधर. So the respect it will come इधर देखो, and in respect it will come इधर देखिए, and then उधर देखिए. छोड़ दो. Please leave it. Then कल आप फिर आइए. Tomorrow you come. So आओ. आइए. Aram kijiye. See here. So the form, what is the form? Kijiye. So it will come karo. Aap atum. So the same. If I'm asking you to change the sentence to, so your younger person, you are telling how you'll say tum aram karo, and respect you'll say aap aram kijiye. इसे बदल दो. बदल means to change. दीजिए. So दो दीजिए it will come. मुझे लॉग बुक दिखाओ. So दिखाओ दिखाइए. उससे मिलकर पर्ची. उससे मिलकर चर्चा. चर्चा करना means to have discussion or to talk. So करो कीजिए it will come. So here so many so after the having so many sentence I have discussed, so I want you all to practice this. So I've given you some images I have given, so I will be happy if you can make some sentence of your own, but I want you to make sentence in both the form using tum and aap. So many examples I have given, just go through the examples and practice and see. And here see I have given you, I have asked you to make some negative sentences. So usually negative sentences in Hindi, again I just remind you, mat usage should come. So I've given some 10 sentence I've given, and you have to use using negative. Always remember that you have to put mat usage here. Same way in this also, there are so many images are given, so you have to practice this. I hope you have understood the imperative sentences and all the rules, and soon we will meet in the next video. Thank you very much.